Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be sharing with you how I make this tasty apple salad. Let me tell you, this salad is so tasty. I don't know why I'm even repeating this, but it is actually very tasty. And I call this the kids' delight because my kids can't have enough of this. I always prepare it when I have kids coming over to my house, and I know they enjoy it. This is a combination of almost all their favorite foods brought together, and it is very crunchy and it's very tasty. I'm sure you're going to like this, so that is why I'm bringing it to you. Make sure you watch this video to the end, and while we are at it, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, just please hit the subscribe button below. I make recipes from my kitchen you will find very interesting. Here are the ingredients I use. I use 2 green apples, 2 red apples, 3 medium-sized carrots, 2 English pear, 1 big cucumber. I have to show you again, the cucumber is actually very big. I use grapes, and this is seedless grapes. All these ingredients, we are going to shred them, you are going to cut them. Each of them, like the apple, I'm going to shred one, I'm going to cut one. That's what I'm going to do. So it's just going to be like there are so many, just to give it that variety. I'm going to be doing the same thing for the red one too. I'm going to be shredding one of it and I'll cut the other one. One thing about this apple salad is that there is no wastage about it at all. If there is any leftover, it can't go to waste. Don't worry, before the end of the video, I will tell you what I do with leftovers. If we happen to get leftovers, that's on rare occasions actually, because this finishes even before it is ready. We'll be cutting this apple into tiny slices. I like using this cutter to give it that shape that will even make it more attractive for kids to enjoy. I'll transfer this into a bowl, and to prevent the color of the apple from going black, I'm going to be pouring this mixture of lemon and water. I call it my lemon water. So the thing is going to sit in the apple till we are done cutting the rest of the fruits. I'm going to be repeating the same process for the rest of the fruit. We'll be shredding one of it and cut the other one. I'm going to be doing this off camera so that the video won't be unnecessarily long. Before we assemble the whole fruit together, I'm going to be draining the apples now. And with this method, the color of the apple remains like this even to the next day. Like I told you earlier, nothing goes to waste in this recipe. The lemon water, we drank it. It is now flavored lemon water. Now we will assemble the whole fruit. I've poured in apples, that's the shredded and the cut apple, my grapes. This is my shredded cucumber. I'm going to be pouring in the cut one too. So this is my shredded carrot, and I'm going to be pouring in the cut carrot. So we are having varieties as we are eating this apple salad. That is one good thing or one interesting thing about this recipe. I'm going to be pouring in my seedless grapes, and I'll add in my cashew nuts. Remember, we are preparing crunchy apple salad. Now I'm going to set this aside and prepare the dressing for this salad. In my blender, I'll be pouring in my sweetened Greek yogurt. So you have to use a brand that you trust so that it won't spoil the taste of this apple salad. So I'm going to be adding in apples and I'm going to blend this together. I'm done blending. I'll be pouring this dressing over this crunchy apple salad, and we'll go ahead now to mix in everything together. We combine everything thoroughly. Like I told you guys in my full option salad video, I think I'm going to leave the link in the caption of this video. You'll find the link to my full option salad video. I like everything that I've used to prepare my salad to be chilled so that I can just go ahead to serve it immediately. So every fruit that we used in this video came out from the fridge. That way we are going to serve immediately and enjoy. There is no need of going to chill and come back. I don't like that one. So we're going to serve it now. See how lovely this salad is looking. To finish this up, I'm going to be topping it up with our cashew nuts. This is an extra cashew nut. And here we have our apple salad, the crunchy apple salad. And it is very tasty, like I told you. Try this out. I'm sure you're going to love it. Thank you, guys. Oh, I've not told you what I do if there is any leftover. If there's any leftover, just pop into your blender and blend it, and you have a mixed fruit smoothie. So if I've ever served a mixed fruit smoothie, I'll be asking me the combination. Here you have it. I've exposed myself today. Thank you guys for watching. I would like to see you in my next video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.